Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Welcome my people, Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. You see it? Yes, as always, you know? Alright my people, now first things first, I want to say this to each and every motorist out there. Make sure that every doors on a motor vehicle that you're about to drive are closed before you drive that motor vehicle. Yeah, because if one or more than one doors on the motor vehicle are open, whenever driving that motor vehicle can be dangerous for you and other persons on the road. You see it? And I think that is common knowledge to each and every adults out there. Anyways, now the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video will be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any information as to when the video will be recorded. The video shows some things that happened when a motorist was driving a delivery truck on the road somewhere within the country of Trinidad and Tobago while the rear doors of the motor vehicle was opened. The video shows the rear doors of the motor vehicle swinging back and forth, viewers and subscribers. The video did not show anyone getting injured. However, I find the situation to be dangerous, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and also tell me what you think. And I real my people, I think that the video shows a dangerous situation. It was somewhat tense for me to watch. Yes, what may I say? So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Go there and open here. Yeah? See there? Two rear doors opened, viewers and subscribers. You see what I want? Dangerous. Something like that can swing and hit a pedestrian, can hit a motor vehicle, can cause big accident on the road too, you know. You understand? And whosoever made this video, big up that person there, because this video brings some form of awareness. Yeah man. Because people make mistakes, you know. Nobody's perfect. Watch it. You see that? Watch it. You saw me talk about people? I tell you my people. Watch it. I tell you. No sir. A situation like that can put the motorist in problem with the law. Yeah man, if that somehow damage someone or damage even a motor vehicle too, that's struggle. Are you responsible for make sure that them doors they lock? Watch it. You see that? And them door they heavy, you know my people. Gosh, yo. Yeah, me I tell you boy. I tell you. Me say, me ongo hope so nobody no get hurt because some things I'm seeing in that video. Me ongo hope so. You understand? Because if that door should ever, I tell you, a dangerous situation that. Yeah man, nobody is perfect. Me get that, you understand? But hopefully this video brings some form of awareness. And let each and everyone know that, look, if you're going to drive a motor vehicle, make sure those doors of the motor vehicle are closed. Double check if you have to. You understand? Yeah man, because that's dangerous, you know. Things can fall out of the vehicle, cause accident as well. All type of things can happen. You see what I say? I tell people. It's very dangerous, can hurt people, cause all kind of life-threatening thing to happen. Alright, so let me know what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright, now I saw a video that shows when a man point a gun at a man. And allegedly it is said that the man pulled the trigger. And allegedly it is said that the man who the man point the gun at used witchcraft or was heavily guarded by witchcraft. So the gun was not able to hurt that person. Me look at the video carefully and I'm telling you straight that I don't 100% believe the situation shown in the video. Yeah, I somewhat think it might not be genuine. Because here why I say so, viewers, subscribers, eh? So allegedly it is said that the man is either guarded by witchcraft or the man either used witchcraft to prevent the gun from hurting him. Meaning that when the trigger had been pulled, the bullet was not able to hurt him. See? That's the information we may get, which is not confirmed in my point of view. See? Now, my people, we are living in a day and age where a lot of people do a lot of things on social media to get views and likes. See? So that's one thing me think about. See? Me also wonder if the gun fake. See? Yeah, because me see the video and me see where, you know, a part of the person's, I don't know what they call that type of clothing, move. When the person point the gun, a little part look like he move or something. You see me, I say, you know what I mean? Yes, me see that, but me I wonder what happened. So me I wonder if anything hit that person none at all. See? So basically, it's like the video circulate on social media with quite a number of allegations. One of those allegations is that the person was guarded by witchcraft to the point where the gun was not able to hurt him. See? And another allegation is that the person used witchcraft so the gun was not able to hurt him. See? Now I don't know what type of gun that gun be, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Some people might call that gun a pump rifle or a shotgun. I don't know the name exactly. I mean, I know the brand because I'm not a gunman. You understand? But the thing about it is, viewers and subscribers, is I say, I don't totally believe it. You see? So here is a screenshot right here. Viewers and subscribers, may I ask you, do you think that a person can actually use witchcraft to prevent him or her from getting hurt from a gun? Leave your answer in the comment section of this video, viewers and subscribers. And I real, me not say a lie, but at the same time, me not go say a true because me no 100% believe it. Yes, I may say, but the video has been talked about on social media. I mean, here's the video itself. Just to make you know about it, alright? Jano. Anyways, tell me what you think. Next topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a female. And in the video, a female talk about an incident where it is said that shots was fired at a night that was held somewhere within the country of Jamaica. It is said that the night had been held for a female who had been shot and killed who goes by the name of Shanice Dean. And Shanice Dean is said to be the sister of a little girl who goes by the name of Ananda Dean, who also had been killed more than a decade ago, viewers and subscribers. Both situations, in my point of view, are some sad situations, alright? Yeah, it is said that the female who you can see in this video is said to be the mother of Shanice and Ananda Dean. And in the video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she pointed out that certain wrong information had been put out there about the whole incident where it is said that shots was fired at a night that was held somewhere in the country of Jamaica. I think it would be best for you, my viewers and subscribers, to listen to some things that the female said for yourself, alright? So here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe. You can also tell me what I think as well. Observe.
A couple friends were close to me for them see what happened. And this little crosses boy. This little crosses boy from in a 12 lane. This little crosses boy from in a 12 lane. Fire up much shot. Him fire. And the police them and the soldier them they saw. And fire much shot. The loop I go come out this man and say nine shut up when nothing I go so. When nothing no go, so me them not talk about that. Me talk about the people that run and trip up when I come from Kingston 8. We lose them phone mash up. One heap of something happen. All because of this crosses, boy.
Channel star.
If I'm me alone the night to keep a 12 billion. If I'm me alone the night don't keep a 12 billion. Cause I say the space little and the candlelight is big and the space little. Come and me take care of the night go and venue where the people them can stand up and enjoy themselves and show them due respect to me and Peach and the family member. But no. And then I come call all different type of name. And I say all different type of things where nothing no go so. Nothing like where you hear them I say no go so. Him drunk, you know what I think if you're drunk? You're going to go bust shot in the ear and make people have to go all about. And things that you happen until things that you talk. For me this man. And from man, I can't see them come and say, I want to go up on the news and clear me and I pick the name what they did.
See. Channel.
Me say, I got off cut last week or week before last week, no way, and people straight shot. Believe you me, say, see boy, when that Peach get the straight shot, God forgive him, come and know, he not shoot for kill Peach. Me know I shoot for, me know I come for who he want for come for, who he want for come for. Or who that mix up, or who, whatever it may be. But me know about me, now I'm a pitney, now I'm a husband, none at all. And about none of we. And people been a talk when it happen. I know this little dirty has come to the blogger man. This little dirty corner boy. That come fire up much shot. I make me name the out there appear to the bad picture up. Ananda Dean sister, Ananda Dean that. Hey, me say if you say me never baptized, man. Hey, no, me never baptized. Me go straight up on the station to tell the police them say. I aim fire to shot them. I'm in a business man nobody want to say. And you me never baptized, I give my life to God. I straight up them, I go and tell them say I aim fire them. He's aim fire them.
Channel my people. I tell my people, things like them are just...
What me say, man?
Sad, you know. You know, say lose
God
someone,
no give more than what you
loved
can't
ones.
manage. God no give more than what you can't manage.
For real, man. For real. Heart, you know.
12 billion is a lane where people love. Enough people don't like it, and enough people like it because it advertises. It's not a lane when nobody are come rob you, rape you, but more time, look why go on, look fuck go on when it make no sense. Cause last time everybody they are good and enjoy themselves. And you come and make the devil gone and you go make your gun go fire shot. You make the devil gone and you make you go fire shot and soldier and police there so. But God forgive me. God forgive me. I mean not even that me don't want to say. Me sorry the police them never spread him out down there. Me sorry them never spread him out down there. And the soldier them.
Channel. She hurt, man. She really hurting people. I tell her the truth.
Me say man I can't never know. I don't business. Listen, me not if nobody no want chat to me, they not have to chat to me from 12 billion. Him know himself and his family them know say I him. If they don't want to chat to me, I don't have a problem. Then nobody not have to chat to me. Because I'm me in my shoes. I'm me in the shoes.
See?
Now if me want my people, them know to come to say, alright then. Them are going to come support me. Them not going to come support me at funeral. Them are going to say, man, I don't shoot them up at funeral. We should be on nobody have nothing going. We party every day. We party every day. We party every night. Me and Pete before my baptized and before she did. So if we do not know nobody and the bad man want we, them are lay away to one party. No care how it late, me drive, no care how me jump, me drive go straight to see you on me yard. And my husband can't live with himself because through them I say, I'm brother, them this and them brother, it is like him can't live with himself.
Yeah.
But me not blame him and me not blame myself. Pitch just did for sit down in my car with me and door run out. Hey, I want to screen record me. Screen record where happen. I make me post it. I wanna help me post it out. All of who can help me, I wanna help me post it out. Try to reach out. I can't see them from man and them not come. And I call what the other one name the other TV station.
What TVJ shop?
That's someone tell me wait name.
TVJ shop.
The other radio TV station.
Most TVJ shop. Most TVJ. Which was once, you know, another name. JBC. But a TVJ shut up.
Yeah, TVJ.
See?
Them said them cannot fix it. Being as loop done come out with them. Cause me that tell them say if them can go up on the news, me explain to the people them to make them know say nothing like that not happen. We should have common sense tell us say if the 9 shut up, people are going to come and see the crowd. People are going dead.
We can go down and come out.
I know my people, so when it comes on to any form of events out there within the country of Jamaica, I'm not sure about the rest of the world, but I know within the country of Jamaica. If shots fired at events out there, you know, you have some people who nasty, you know. You have some people who run. I tell you, you know, can cause stampede, no. Me can tell you because me there in a large crowd already. And stampede happen. And what you think happen? The security guard only just goes and putting gun over the fence. And everybody start run that Christmas one piece of stampede. Me literally have to climb on a fence and hold on. So, see, when the stampede done, me see man pants tear off of him completely because people step on him so much in clothes tear off. See me? People will get hurt, all kind of things. Me see a motorcycle, like the flare, everything, pish pash out, mash out. Because the amount of people that jump on the motorcycle, that jump over it, and all them things. You see it? It's a miracle nobody no lose them life because of a stampede. Because me are telling you, thousands of people, they stand up on one gate for go on event. You know? Yeah, I tell you. But anyways, my people, so I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that the police within the country of Jamaica said that they have identified the suspect believed to be behind the shooting that happened at the wake or the 9-night, as also some persons might call it, during subscribers. You understand me? And you know, the news article said that the wake had been held within the parish of St. Andrews, that's within the country of Jamaica, on Friday. That would be the 27th of May, the year 2022. See, that's what this news article said. You understand? See, no, you know, just I'll keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. You understand? Yeah, the news article said that the 9-night had been held for Shanice Dean. Yeah, so I'll leave it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up on yourself, is it?